being seduced by a randy OAP who smells like a toilet duck and has a more impressive moustache than Freddie Mercury. Sorry about that, Sam.
Oh, I love playing hide and seek. It gets you all excited.
I'm glad you like playing hide and seek, Sam. Let's play again.
Oh!
Dad, what are you doing here?
Well, did your mother phone? She's kicked me out.
Yes, Mum did phone, but I didn't think she was being serious. Look, you can't stay here, there's no room. I've only got one bed.
Who's dead?
I said I've only got one bed. The only other place to sleep is on this lumpy sofa.
Oh, that's good of you to sleep on the sofa. You know, I don't know how I'd cope without you and your mother. And now that she's left me, you're all I've got.
Okay, you can stay for a couple of days. And you can cut that up for a start.
Well, aren't you going to answer the phone? The door? Front door?
What? Yes! Oh, good idea. I'll answer the front door. Nobody there. Must have been carol singers.
Carol singers? But it's the middle of summer.
Good point. Perhaps they were practicing. Look, Dad, tell you what, I'll take your coat and cardigan and put it in my room with your bag.
No, you won't. It's freezing in here. You don't know what it's like to be actually old. My skin's so thin, any gust of wind sends a shiver right down my spine.
Well, stop passing wind and you won't get a shiver up your spine.
Yeah, and I've got no control of my waterworks and I can't sleep at night.
Well, that's because you sleep all through the day. Well, tell you what, Dad, you sit down and I'll get you a nice cuppa.
Oh, that's it.
Silent night.
Hello, are you a carol singer?
Yes.
Oh. Carol singers. Don't you know it's the wrong time of year? Come back at Christmas.
I'm not here to sing Christmas carols. I thought you meant, did I sing carols at Christmas? On special occasions, we do. At my brother's wedding, we did as well.
Yeah, oh, well,
Oh, I'm Sam. We haven't met, have we?
No, I don't think so. How can I help you?
Well, I think I left my eye drops here. Bless me.
Yeah, bless you. But I don't think I heard you sneeze.
Oh. Well, as I said, I think I've left my eye drops here.
That's a good one. What are you trying to sell? Double glazing, insurance? Look, I'm a pensioner, you know. I haven't got any money.
Oh, I am being serious about it, you know. Is this the place where Steve lives? And his friends call him Steve, I call him Stevie, and his last name is Kinsella.
Oh, you mean Stephen?
Yes.
Well, if you're a friend of his, you better come in. On his day like Kinsella, I'm staying here for a few days.
I thought you said his mum and dad were called Bill and Ben.
No, I'm definitely called Mike. I think. What was that about eye drops?
Well, when I was younger, I got hit by a cricket ball in my eye, and I have to have eye drops 3 times a day, and I don't know if I left them here or not.
Well, look, if you can't see them now, love, I'll keep an eye out for him.
Thank you. Is Stevie coming back then?
No. He's gone to work, and then he's got to stay at the community centre because he's got a get-together later on.
Oh, you mean Sandy Park Community Centre, just off Bath Road?
Yeah, that's the one. Do you fancy a cup of tea?
Oh, yes, please, if it's not too much trouble.
No trouble at all. I'm glad of the company.
Tom, I think it would be beneficial for you to get some fresh air. Why don't we take a walk in the car park?
Kettle's on. So, how long have you known Stephen?
I only met him last night. I can't believe he proposed.
Proposed what?
Marriage, of course, you silly Billy.
But I thought he said he'd, just come out the wardrobe.
Wardrobe?
He prefers the company of men. I'm very proud of my son, despite his chosen lifestyle. But I must admit, I've always thought that he did camp in the school play too naturally. I'm going to go and get that tea.
How could he have been camping in the school play? Where would he have put the pegs in the floor to keep the tent up? And why was he camping in that school play?
I hope Tom doesn't stray too far from that bench outside. I don't think my day can get any stranger. First the tailors, and then Tom, the incoherent alcoholic. I'll hope Steve arrives here soon before any of his other patients arrive.
Here we are then.
I found my eye drop.
Oh, well done. Sorry, I've forgotten your name.
Sam Holescock.
What was that?
Sam Holescock.
Ham rolls rocks. Yeah, well, I suppose they would if you don't eat them quickly enough.
No, Mr. Kinsella. Sam Holescock.
Oh, Sam Holescock. So, do you live in the area?
Well, I live on the north side near the new shopping centre. Would it be alright to call you Dad?
Well, I suppose you could call me Dad, but I can't see that you and my son have got much future together, what with him batting for the other side.
Oh, I didn't know Stevie liked cricket.
No, neither did I.